Hi there. Suppose we're given this question there, they asked you to integrate a function that looks like this, and basically looks like a fraction. So you have your numerator at the top. So you have that to be your numerator, and you have here to be the denominator, and then you are integrating in respect to the dx. Okay. The first thing you want to do is to split these terms so that it's easier to, or make it more intuitive, basically. And so to do that, what we want to first do is to write every other term together with this x that is the common denominator for all of them. So this will be the same thing as saying x raised to the power of 3 all over x, which is just this x at the bottom here, minus 3x squared all over x. So I'm working with this x that is there, okay, plus 2x all over x again, plus 5 all over x, and everything by dx. All right. And so the next step is to cancel out terms. So for example, you have x at the bottom of most of them, of all of them, and at the top you also have x, so you could cancel that out just to simplify the problem. And so I'll pick up a green color and just demonstrate what I mean. So that will cancel that one, for example, and this will cancel one of that, and this will cancel a part of that too. Okay, how about we do that together now? And so to do that, if you do that, then you have something that looks like x cancel out the first one, you just have x squared left, and x cancelled there, you have just 3x left, and x cancelled out there, you have just 2, and x here will not cancel, so you still have 5, or 5 times 1/2, or whatever. So you could say plus maybe just 5 over x, let's just keep it that way, and the dx. Okay, so the next step now is to let's expand everything with that dx, so that everything, and also with the integration, so the integral of each of them. So we'll split the term basically. And so to do the, could write them as x squared minus, could put the 3 inside or put it outside, integral of 3x, could do the dx since we are removing the bracket already, dx plus integral of 2 dx plus the integral of 5 over x dx. All right, which is same thing as saying we could actually rewrite this line such that it now looks like actually we'll write this as integral of x squared dx minus 3x dx. Okay, let's just bring this outside too, such that it's 3x dx. So we'll just bring all the constants out, and this one will just be the integral of 2 dx, since it doesn't have an x. We'll just leave it that way. All right, and plus the last one is 5 integral of 1 over x dx actually. Okay, so let's integrate now. Now that if we go back again to your basic integration, the rule is you add 1 to the top and you divide by the new power. And so the formula is like this. So if you have xn, and if you want to integrate xn, basically if you have xn and you want to integrate xn, it's basically your xn plus 1 all over n plus 1. So that would be the integral. Okay, so if we use this as a guide and we write this stuff here, this would be to integrate this number here, it becomes x raised to the power of 3 all over 3 minus, if you integrate what is inside here, you have this 3 outside, and what is inside is an x, so we're just adding 1 to the top. So remember, it's had 1 before, we're adding 1 to it, and we're dividing everything by 1 plus 1. Okay, plus the next term, the 2. If you integrate that one, it picks up an x basically. And if you integrate this last one, remember 1 over x is ln x, so it's same thing as 5 ln x plus some constant. So if we simplify this, finally we'll come to the final answer that will look like this, as 1/3 x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x squared over 2 plus 2x plus 5 ln x plus some c. So that's the integral. Please subscribe for more